Hey everyone! Today, we're spotlighting Geoffrey Hinton, the Nobel Prize winning Godfather of AI, who's ringing alarm bells about how AI could reshape the job market. Hinton, now 78, has spent decades pioneering neural networks. In a recent appearance on the Diary of a CEO podcast, he warned that AI's rapid advances mean almost all white-collar jobs are at risk. Tasks we thought only humans could do, drafting documents, handling calls, are already being automated. Hinton predicts that much of this work will end up being done by one person with an AI assistant, doing what once took 10 people. That doesn't mean every job will disappear. He points to professions like plumbing, jobs requiring physical dexterity and on-the-spot problem-solving, as far more resistant to AI takeover. He says, "It's going to be a long time before AI is as good at physical manipulation. So a good bet would be to be a plumber. But if you're in a mundane intellectual role, think paralegals, call center agents, you should be very concerned." Hinton admitted he'd be terrified working in a call center right now, given how easily AI can handle scripted conversations and data retrieval. This isn't just theoretical. Major firms like Morgan Stanley have already begun layoffs, replacing roles with AI tools. And entry-level hiring at big tech has fallen. New graduate positions dropped by 25% across companies like Meta and Google from 2023 to 2024. Yet, there's a paradox. As AI eliminates roles, it may also produce vast productivity gains and economic growth. Hinton and other leaders like Elon Musk and Sam Altman support Universal Basic Income (UBI) to help societies transition. But even with UBI, Hinton fears people could lose their sense of purpose without meaningful work, highlighting a deeper societal concern. It's not all doom and gloom. AI may create new, highly skilled roles, people who build, supervise and maintain these systems. But Hinton emphasizes you'd have to be exceptionally skilled to avoid being replaced. The real question, will society prepare? With economists warning about technological unemployment and AI experts forecasting job losses within just a couple of years, we're at a crossroads. Governments, companies and educators will need to act fast, retraining, reskilling and redefining what work means in an AI-first world. So here's the takeaway. AI isn't a distant threat, it's reshaping careers right now. White-collar roles that involve repetition and data handling are most vulnerable. Physical trade, creativity, empathy, these remain our strongest defenses. If you're planning your future, think about what uniquely human skills you bring that AI can't replicate. What do you think? Will UBI be enough? Should we overhaul education to teach adaptability? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you the tech and career stories that matter.